bar cock. You guys probably can't see that at all. There's a trailer, semi-truck that says barbecue cock tea. Anyways, I want to see what this looks like. Oof. Make sure my door's unlocked before I close the door. Camera looks good, but got the FRS in front of this fine establishment that I've found. Good stuff. It's got the new car, has the Berk Muffler Delete with the tip, so it at least looks decent, although it only has one now, so one exhaust exit, but I don't mind it. It looks nice, at least. And the dual exhaust was like almost double the price, I believe, so I was like, nah, I'm too much of a brokey for that, so here we are. Alright, let's get this show on the road. Hopefully the owners of this place don't mind. Hopefully I didn't set an alarm off with my brand new super loud exhaust. No, it's not super loud. I mean, it's super loud compared to stock, how it was before. I was running stock just before this, but so yeah, anything is loud compared to that. But we will go on a little drive here. Oh, didn't even use my turn signal. That's not a good start. Alright. Let's get on the road. Yeah, I'm gonna go to some on-ramps. Get some nice little on-ramp poles going. Also this. Yeah, boy. It's a little bit weird driving with this camera in front of my eyes, but we're getting used to it. Alright, oh, need to go in the left lane. Let's do that. But yeah, I like what I'm hearing from this exhaust so far, and what I'm seeing. It looks good too. Super cheap. I got it for I got it on JM Autosport's website. There's a 5% off coupon, and yeah, so it came out to like $167.99, I believe. And that's there's no sales tax for me, I don't think so. Yeah, just $167. Yeah, the shipping was free, I guess, I'm pretty sure. So super cheap, and it's been great so far. I just put it on at about 6 o'clock, so gonna give it a nice test run. Yeah, we're on this street, so let's go to the right. Shit, I thought there was a shadow of a person for a second. Driving with this camera in front of my eyes is trippy, man. It's tough. Yeah, I'm using the, oh, excuse me. I'm using the DJI Osmo Action 4 camera. I got a baseball cap with a nice little clip hat mount thing. I got the Action 4 mounted upside down on the bill of my hat, so yeah, it's definitely a learning experience driving with it in front of my eyes, but that's what I was looking at. A lot of POV YouTubers do this, so thought I'd give it a shot. And I'm going on a vacation soon so I can use this little Action 4 camera there to film some, so that'll be good. This muffler delete has a little bit of a drone, as you can probably hear. I'm still learning like kind of where it drones and everything. There's a Goodwill over here. What the fuck? What? Oh, I think it's maybe it's one of the Goodwill like shipping, like transportation type of things or something. Facilities. I don't think it's an actual store. Dang, I'm going 04. The speed limit's 04, baby. Alright, we're gonna go on this on-ramp. It's green. Gotta get here before these guys. Oh wait, they're not turning right. Oh wait, let's just take the whole road. Puppy in a sport so I don't accidentally kill myself, but good stuff, man. It's so much louder than stock, which is great. Yeah, it's so much louder than stock, but it's not like overly bearing. I have stock headers, stock everything. The only thing I have is I deleted the sound tube that runs to the cabin, so there's not the extra engine noise coming from that little sound tube. And then, so that's actually like a reduction of sound in here. But then the other thing is I have a OFT V2 tablet tuner gadget, so I have just the stage 1 tune, but that's not really like a physical exhaust mod, so it's basically stock. So yeah, OFT tune, sound tube removed, which both are basically do nothing for the sound very much. Honestly, yeah, getting rid of the sound tube didn't really even make much of a difference. I couldn't really tell the difference. So yeah, now I have no muffler, and this is what it sounds like. It's so cheap, and if you, yeah, I don't know. I already know I'm gonna have so much more fun driving the car now that I have done this muffler delete, because now I can actually hear the car, and it's really, you know, it's just engaging. Got the manual stick shift, got the loud noises. This guy's passing me. Whoa. What is that, Lexus? No, it's a, I can't even tell. Yeah, it is a Lexus. Used Detour. But yeah, it's an insane value for the price. It's like, oof, like just listen, bro. Oof. But yeah, I want to test this camera out. I wanted to do a little POV with this new muffler delete. So good stuff. Hopefully it looks good. I've been watching some vloggers that use the Action 4/Action 5. So I got some settings that I dialed in here for this test, so hopefully it looks okay. I mean, it's like super dark in here with no lights. Like right now it probably looks a lot better, at least like in here in the cabin, because there's actually some lights coming in. But what was I saying? Yeah, I'm testing this Action 4 camera. I've been watching a lot of vlogs, so yeah, I got all those settings. So we'll see how it turns out. I'll upload this. I also recorded me kind of putting the new muffler delete on, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna make this POV a part of that video or if I'll make a different one, but this will be up pretty soon here. Oh baby, another on-ramp. Oh, let's go. pure beauty right there. Pure beauty to the ears. It's pretty good. We'll see how I like it long term with the drone, because there's some, so I'm sure there's a lot of different exhausts that have even way more drone, but this is still quite a bit, you know, obviously compared to stock, because there's no drone with stock, obviously, stock exhaust. But yeah, I'll see how I like it long term. We'll see if I get tired of it. I'm loving it right now, though. I mean, I can actually hear the car, so it's really fun. It was even so yeah, when I was doing some revs for my family, because there's quite a bit of, well, yeah, I don't know, I have a big family, so there's quite a few of them home at the house. So yeah, I did some revs just like in the garage, with the garage door open, of course, because I don't want to asphyxiate myself, or whatever the word is. But yeah, so I did it. Yeah, sorry, I'm losing my track. Okay, but yeah, I did a few little revs, and it actually popped. My exhaust was popping. My car was popping. I'm not sure. I guess that definitely has something to do with the OFT tune. It's just a stage 1 OFT tune though, so like it's nothing crazy. It's not like a pop and crackle, whatever, like specific tune or anything. It's just a normal one. There's a Mercedes back here. Sheesh. It's got the lit up badge and everything. That's when you know you made it in life. Got the light up front badge. No back one though. That's weird. Oh, it's kind of tricky seeing the red light and green light when I got this camera in front of my eyes. Like I can see all the road just fine, but like in the upward direction, I can't really. It's kind of crazy. Anyways, what was I saying, dude? Oh yeah, but yeah, the exhaust actually popped and crackled, and there was like some like water, like whatever gas mixture coming out of the exhaust, splashing onto the ground. Oh, there's somebody here. I'm gonna let them pass. But yeah, so it pops and crackles now. That didn't happen with stock. The drone is massive there. Oh my god. But yeah, crazy. I was not expecting that. That was sick. My brother was behind it, and he was like, "Oh, yo, it's crackling. It's squirting out some water." I was like, "Oh, Jesus, it's squirting already? God damn." But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep. It's 10:49 on a Thursday night. Actual DGen hours. Hey, maybe that's a parking lot that I can go to. Yeah, I'm gonna have to try to find some parking lots to start my videos at or something. Because I don't want to start my videos at my freaking my crib. So that'll be fun. It was actually really fun trying to find a little spot to start this video. I don't know. I'm always fascinated with urban exploring. So like any like type of like just imagining like, I don't know, sneaking around these like random buildings that I haven't seen. It's like at night. It's like a game or a movie. So I don't know. It's fun to think about. I have a good imagination for that stuff. Nerd emoji. I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, I don't know. It was fun looking around for parking lots, like trying to sneak around. Oh no, I'm gonna get in trouble for filming a little YouTube intro. Nah, I'm not doing anything illegal. Except when the camera's off. What? Let's do this. One last one for the boys at the road. For the road. Full throttle! Alright, that's enough. Oh. Woo! That's fun. Yeah. This makes the car a lot more fun. So if you're like completely stock, like I was, basically, in terms of like physical performance mods, I would definitely consider this. Especially if you're a brokey like me and you don't have money, like $167 or something, like it's worth. Because like catback exhaust and all that, they're like, to get a decent one, you know, it's 600, 700, 800, or even more than that, 1K plus for like a really nice one or whatever. So I would definitely consider this. There's some drone, as you can hear, but it's from my small amount of testing and driving, there's definitely a way, or if you just drive, you know, conservatively and slowly and gently, I mean, you can, it's pretty quiet. Like, just sitting here at a standstill, like, there's not much more noise happening than stock. So, especially in the cabin. So, anyways, I'm gonna go. Have a good night. Bye-bye. See you in the next one.